All right, PiHole is amazing, and it is network-wide ad blocking. So whether you're on a tablet or a mobile or a desktop or a laptop or whatever, if you're on a network that's doing its DNS lookup through PiHole, you won't have any advertisements practically anywhere. It's amazing. It's a really brutal install. I'll put the command in the video description, but curl SSL https install PiHole.net bash. So let's go through that. Hit OK. 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 You'll select how you're piping the internet through Raspberry Pi, in which case I'm going through the Ethernet port, so mine's ETH0. If you're running it through like a gigabit USB adapter, like you're running speed tests on it, it'll be ETH1, or if you are Wi-Fi, it'll be WLAN 0. So use tab to get around and space to change values. So, okay. For the DNS, I kind of recommend OpenDNS. You can use Google, but that may interfere with your ability to block ads on YouTube if you get that far. You want to make sure that both IPv4 and IPv6 are toggled. That makes sure that you can block ads regardless of what the origin DNS address is. And easy breezy, your gateway's 192.168.1.1, unless you're running a very complicated network setup. It's probably your gateway address, and then the IP address is just the IP address of that Raspberry Pi. And then the admin interface I do recommend. It's a nice web UI to view the status of your PiHole. I do recommend it. I do recommend you log queries. That means that you have a logs to query if you ever something goes wrong or you want to look up something. And now you're all set. One thing I do recommend, go to 192.168.208, which is the IP address of my Raspberry Pi, /admin. And there you go. Here's your basic statistics. We'll need the password from here to log in as admin. And there you go. You won't see any statistics here until you go into your router and have your router do its DNS lookup through your Raspberry Pi's DNS address, or your Raspberry Pi's IP address instead of having it point to the internet. But all your tools to whitelist and blacklist and statistics on your setup will all be here. And here's my PiHole sitting on my network. 7.6% of the DNS lookups were ads and blocked, so pretty cool.